So now, radio for the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Saturday the 10th of September. The general synopsis at 1800. Low, Humber 1004, losing its identity. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking, north at Sierra, northeasterly 3 or 4, occasionally 5 in Viking, becoming variable 4 or less. Fair, good. South at Sierra, 40s. Northeasterly 4 to 6, becoming variable 3 or less. Showers, good. Cromarty, north or northeast 3 to 5, veering south 2 to 4. Fair, good. Forth, Tyne, north or northeast 4 to 6, becoming variable 3 or less. Showers, good. Dogger, Fisher, northeast 4 to 6, decreasing 2 to 4. Showers, good. German Bight, cyclonic, becoming northeast 3 or 4, thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Humber, Thames, cyclonic 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in Thames, becoming north 2 to 4. Thundery showers, good, occasionally poor. Dover, White, Portland, Plymouth, west or northwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in White and Portland, becoming variable 3 or less, then southeast 2 to 4 in Plymouth. Showers, perhaps thundery at first in Dover and White, good, occasionally moderate. Biscay, variable 4 or less, becoming east or southeast 3 to 5. Showers, good. East Trafalgar, northwesterly 3 to 5, becoming variable 2 to 4. Fog patches, good, occasionally very poor. West Trafalgar, Fitzroy, variable 2 to 4, becoming southerly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in Fitzroy. Thundery rain, fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Seoul, northwesterly 2 to 4 at first in east, otherwise southeasterly 4 or 5. Thundery rain, fog patches, moderate or good, occasionally very poor. Lundy, Fastnet, northwest becoming variable 2 to 4, then southeast 3 to 5 later in Fastnet. Showers, good. Irish Sea, north 4 or 5, becoming variable 2 to 4. Showers, good. Southwest Shannon, southeasterly 4 or 5, rain, fog patches, moderate, occasionally very poor. Northeast Shannon, Rockall, Malin, variable 4 or less, becoming southeasterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 in Shannon. Rain later, good, occasionally moderate later. Hebrides, Bailey, southeast veering south 4 or 5, then southwest 4 to 6 in Bailey. Rain in Bailey, good, occasionally poor in Bailey. Fair Isle, northeast becoming variable 2 to 4. Fair, good. And Faroes, southeast Iceland, easterly or southeasterly 4 to 6, becoming cyclonic later in southeast Iceland. Rain, good, occasionally poor. The weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tiree automatic, east 3, 30 miles, 1016, rising more slowly. Stornoway, east 2, 15 miles, 1017, rising slowly. Lerwick, northeast 4, 16 miles, 1018, rising slowly. Wick, automatic, northeast 2, 11 miles, 1018, rising slowly. Aberdeen, northwest by north 2, 19 miles, 1016, rising slowly. Lucas, north by east 2, 22 miles, 1016, rising slowly. Boomer, north 4, slight drizzle, 3 miles, 1013, rising more slowly. Bridlington, northwest by north 3, 1009, rising. Sandetti, light vessel, automatic, west by north 5, 11 miles, 1009. Greenwich light vessel automatic, west-northwest 5, 11 miles, 1011. St Catherine's Point automatic, west by north 4, 1011, rising more slowly. Jersey, west by north 5, 8 miles, 1015, rising more slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, west by north 5, 1014. Scilly automatic, west-northwest 4, 11 miles, 1016, rising more slowly. Milford Haven, northwest by north 3, 19 miles, 1014, rising. Aberporth, northwest 5, 16 miles, 1013, rising more slowly. Valley, north 3, 15 miles, 1013, rising. Liverpool Crosby, north-northeast 3, 32 miles, 1012, rising more slowly. Valencia, northeast 1, 19 miles, 1017, now falling. Rondells northeast by north 3, 27 miles, 1014, rising more slowly. Malin Head, south 2, 16 miles, 1016, rising slowly. And Macrahanish Automatic, southeast 2, 24 miles, 1016, rising more slowly. Now the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Friday the 9th of September. The general situation: low pressure near Holland moves away into the continent on Saturday, with any showers clearing as a high builds over the UK. Then two Atlantic lows will move northeast towards Hebrides and Faroes, respectively bringing rain to the west and northwest on Sunday. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney, east or northeast 2 to 4, becoming variable 3 or less, then south 2 to 4 later. Fair, good. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed, north or northeast 4 or 5, becoming variable, mainly south 2 to 4. Showers at first in south, good. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby, north 4 to 6, decreasing 3 or 4, becoming variable 2 or less later. Showers, good. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, northwest 3 or 4, veering north 2 or 3. Showers, good. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, westerly or northwesterly 4 or 5, veering northerly 2 to 4. Showers, perhaps thundery at first. Good, occasionally poor. North Foreland to Selsey-Bill, westerly or northwesterly 4 or 5, decreasing 2 or 3 later. Showers, good. Selsey-Bill to Lyme Regis, northwest 4 or 5, decreasing 2 or 3, becoming variable 3 or less. Showers, good, occasionally moderate at first. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, west 4 or 5, veering northwest 3 or 4, becoming variable, then southeast 2 to 4. Showers, good. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, northwest 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 or less, then southeast 2 to 4. Showers, good. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel, north 4 or 5, decreasing 2 or 3, veering east 2 to 4. Showers becoming fair later. Good. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway, north 4 or 5, veering east or southeast 3 or 4. Showers for a time. Good. Isle of Man, north or northeast 4 or 5, becoming variable 3 or less, then east or southeast 2 or 3 later. Fair, good. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, north or northeast, veering southeast 2 to 4. Fair, good. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel, northeasterly 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 or less. Fair, good. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point, variable 3 or less, becoming southeast 2 to 4 later. Fair, good. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, east veering south or southeast 2 to 4. Fair, good. And finally the Shetland Isles, north 3 or 4, becoming variable 3 or less, becoming mainly south later. Fair, good. And that completes the shipping bulletin. Well, that's also the end of the day for Radio 4. We're taking a short break, handing over to our colleagues at the BBC World Service until we return at 5:20 in the morning with the next shipping bulletin. Now, you may have noticed changes to our schedule this evening following the death yesterday of Queen Elizabeth II. Those changes continue tomorrow as we respond to that sad news, reflect on the passing of Her Majesty, and reporting on the succession of our new King, Charles III. And that includes live coverage of the Principal Proclamation at 10:45 in the morning. Now, if there are programmes you missed as a result of these changes, or changes yet to come over the next few days, don't forget you can probably find them and catch up with them on BBC Sounds. And while you're there, don't forget to explore BBC Sounds' rich store of new material and older classics. If you're up through the night, our sister stations are on air, a rich choice of listening for you, speech and music of all sorts and genre available through the night. Now, though, on behalf of everybody here at Radio 4, wherever you are, whatever you're doing tonight, have a peaceful night. Good night.